of the advocacy efforts we do here at FaithBridge is prepare students, parents, educators to do public comments and use their voice, whether it be at the school board level, the city level, or also do testimony at the state level. With the culmination of all of our advocacy efforts, it all comes down to our grand advocacy day that we do every single year. Every single year it has been created to bring more parents, more educators, more students, and we just finished our third annual advocacy day in which we had around 170 people join us at the state capitol. We use our voice to build relationships, to push systems and structures to ensure justice in policies, practices, and equitable provisions.